If you're looking for reliable mold inspection and testing, then you've come to the right place. Mold Control Solutions is a top-rated mold inspection service. We provide quality indoor air care, from HVAC system contamination, evaluations, to water leak detection, and more. Our experienced and licensed mold inspectors know the many possible locations toxic mold can hide, like inside and outside walls, around the leaking pipes, underneath furniture, inside ductwork, or HVAC air and other spots you can't see. That's why we use infrared thermal imaging along with microscopic detection to locate problem wet areas hidden from view. You should know, air quality is extremely important for your health and your loved ones. Our company has completed over 5,000 inspections, so call us today